Channels, if you are not getting views, there are 6 things that you need to do on your channel in order to get views. I know this because I once had a channel where I post videos every day, and at my 100 video I am only having about 40 subscribers. Now I need to just post at that channel, and at a time I had to delete that channel because I just want to study what I am doing differently. So if you can follow me on these 6 tips that I am going to be sharing with you on this video, at the 6th point it will blow your mind, and this will go a long way to blow your channel. So stick around to the end of the video in order to get value for your time. Now the first thing that we are going to be talking about is frequently upload videos. Yes, it is something that you might have heard from a lot of creators, but we are going to look at it. Does frequency means consistency? Yes, the word might have changed to consistency. Now I am going to make an analysis for you. If you are a small YouTuber, if you upload videos frequently on YouTube, it means that you have the opportunity to be discovered on YouTube. Now, it is more challenging for a small YouTuber because you do not know that particular video that is going to go viral. So most times we tend to hear YouTube advice of, okay, upload consistently. Now we are going to take a look at it. So if you upload once a month, you found out that by the end of the year you must have uploaded 12 times. That means that you have given YouTube 12 opportunities to make you discoverable. Now if you upload 2 times in a week, by the end of the year you must have uploaded videos 104 times. That means that you have 104 opportunity to be discovered. Now this point brings me to what is referred to as the power of 77. I know you might not have heard about this. Now let me explain this to you. I have also come to understand that some of the channels that I looked at that upload long form videos tend to get their 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours at their 77th video, or even to their 80th video, or at your 77th video or your 80th video, you have the privilege to be discovered, to hit the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, which is a milestone that every YouTuber is looking for. Now take a look at it. Before you will do that, there are certain things you should look at. This brings us to the second point under these 6 methods that you need to put in place in your channel. Now the second point is what I refer to as the X factor. Take a look at some YouTubers. Now the big YouTubers that you love watching their videos, the competitors, those that motivate you, take a look at their videos and you take a look at the characteristics that they portray that tend to keep you watching their videos. All right, now this is something that you need to look into yourself for. Take a look at that uniqueness that you have. It then means that if I'm uploading a video frequently and I am doing the same thing and expecting to get a different result, it's not going to work that way. Now everybody have this uniqueness in them that tends to bring them out and also make viewers love their videos. So it doesn't mean that you have to be doing a particular thing that another person is doing in order to get discovered. There's this characteristics in you that when your viewers see, they tend to love it. Okay, I love the way a particular YouTuber, a small YouTuber talk, and then anytime I look at her, it reminds me of my older cousin, and then she explained things very well that I tend to watch her videos and always leave a comment and a like on her videos. Okay, now this is something unique about her, just the way she talks. Okay, it might be that video might not really give me a whole lot of values, but her uniqueness is something that attracts me to her. So in your videos, take a look at your videos again. Look at the first video you created on that channel. Look at the video you are creating now. Are you doing the same thing over and over? This can be the reason why your video is just lying down there. This brings me to the next point. Now a whole lot of YouTubers will tell you that quality supersedes quantity. Now yes, I believe the fact that yes, the quality of your video tend to go a long way. Now how do you even get quality without quantity? Now if you upload videos frequently, it then means that every video there's a new thing, there's something different in every video. Gradually you will be moving into perfection. That is, if there's anything called perfection. We won't upload videos because the more you talk on camera, the more you edit your videos, the more you edit your thumbnails, the more you gather ideas here on YouTube, the more there's a whole lot of difference. So it then means that from the first video that you have posted on your YouTube channel to the one you are posting currently, you find out there is a whole lot of difference in that place. That is when you start talking about quality. Okay, it is not when you are just starting, you want to talk about quantity when you have not gathered the experience, when you have not learned about your mistakes, when you have not failed and correct yourself. You start talking about quantity. Now this can be the reason why you are failing. Okay, so it is fine if this video do not get views. It is fine if the next video is going to get view. It is fine if this video is going to peak after a week or two. All of these strategies are fine, but you are going to focus on quantity before you move into quality, because gradually as you upload your videos on daily basis, as you edit that videos, as you work on that videos, you find out that a whole lot is going to change. So this brings us to the next point. As a small YouTuber, if you think that, oh, YouTube is all about luck, YouTube is all about, okay, YouTube is favoring these people, YouTube is not pushing my video, no, you should not think about that. What you should think about is, how do I get video ideas that will attract viewers? Now, a whole lot of people also tend to think that, okay, YouTube, my viewers are not getting retained. It is not all viewers on your videos that will be retained. That brings us to the point of your intro. Have you taken a look at your intro, how you start your videos? Is it something that somebody can say, okay, let me stick to the end of this video to be able to know what this person is trying to talk about in this video? So take a look at your intros. Now, I understand that as a small YouTuber, it is very, very difficult for you to be able to analyze, to know that particular video that is going to rank high or that is going to bring you subscribers. This simply means that you are going to take a look at those characteristics that you have, those uniqueness, and add it up in your videos. It can be storytelling. Do you know you can start your videos with storytelling and it will retain your audience in that particular video? All right, try these tips. It will go a long way to help you. The next point is, how flexible are you in your video? Are you just rigid? Are you just there, not trying to know the new thing that you can add to that video, or not trying to learn what you can add to that video to make a difference in that video? Now, this brings us to a point of asking you, are you also committed to watching other people's video? Are you also commenting on other people's video? Now, this point also brings me to tell you to please comment on the comment section so that we can review each other's video and grow together. Now, a whole lot of ways that you can get visibility. One most important one is for you to watch other people's video. YouTube is gathering the hours that you are watching other people's video and engaging in those people's video. It will go a long way. Leaving a reasonable comment, it will go a long way to gain you visibility. It will also go a long way to gain you loyal audience. All right, because people are going to see your comments, especially in the big YouTubers. They are going to see your comment. They are going to, okay, let me check out this person's video. If this person have these valuable comments, then their content must be valuable. You find out that you start getting subscribers. But putting in much videos on your channel is not enough to make that channel grow. That is where the conflicting idea of frequency and consistency is. Now, consistency simply means that you are showing up for that particular video or that particular content with an improved version of you, and you are consistently showing up, thereby building a community of trust. But frequency means that, oh, I am always filming a video, I am always editing a video, I am putting it out there. Yes, YouTube should know that I'm pushing my videos, but I am not taking a look at that videos and see the mistake that I made in the former video and how I can change it. So you see where people conflict frequency and consistency. So I think that even as a small YouTuber, you should look at consistency with a better version of what you can provide, the value that you can provide for your audience, and be consistent with it. This brings us to the last point, but not the least. And there's a bonus point. If you have stayed till this point, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell. Now, the packaging, it is what is very, very important. All right, now, as a small YouTuber, a whole lot of people do not know you. Now, what happens is that YouTube tend to push your videos to a small group of people who might not have even subscribed to your channel. What is the first thing they see? They see your thumbnails and your titles, and that is the only thing that can spark curiosity in them to click that video. All right, so if your thumbnails and your titles are not something that is clickable, I hear some YouTubers tell you, okay, the colors that you are using and all. One thing is, what is the message you are passing with your thumbnails? All right, yes, you cannot use conflicting colors, no doubt about that, but are you sparking curiosity with that thumbnails and that title? So you have to take a look at your thumbnails and your titles, because it tends to make somebody click on your channel. This is why you have to go to your YouTube studio and click on that analytics. Take a look at the impression click-through rate. Now, this is simply the amount of people that YouTube show your video to. So if these people are able to click on your video, they will watch your video. Some might not stay till the end, some might stay, but in it you will still get a subscriber. Now, the bonus tip is jump on trends. But the mistake about jumping on trends is, are you jumping on trends early or you are jumping on trends late? Okay, so jumping on trends early is the best that you can do for your channel. That means that you will always, every day, visit your trends, all right, to know what is trending in your niche and be able to recreate a content that is related to that. That is what people are looking for. This will go a long way to boost your channel. This will go a long way to give you watch time and watch hours. All right, if you found this video useful and interesting, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drops. See you next in our next video. Bye.